So hey guys, just for the June arch gymnastic strength, we've just got the pull-up version for the arch hangs. So this one allows you to lower into that arch and lift out of it. You're staying active throughout. Just at the bottom, if you're stable enough, you can lower into it and let go and release. You're trying to control that arch pull-up. So actually, the easier version, you just have the kind of knees down, lower yourself down, not even kind of going up into a full pull-up, just lowering like that. And you can come up onto the toes, lower down, stretch, pulling up. You're getting 3 reps out, 1 to 3 reps if you went really slow, but it's a dynamic workout. Then we've got the press, so the push version of the arch, just in the back bridge. And then you might just be getting a bit of a wrist stretch here. If you find that's quite challenging, go a little bit wider, have the feet wider, otherwise a bit closer with the hands. Just want to gradually be able to get more pressure in. You can slide up on the head and come up and down, do 3 reps of that. Otherwise you want to push. Obviously the higher you get up, close to the feet, close to the hands, and then be able to lower down, lift up, 3 reps of those. And then for the legs, just got holding the rings and just doing lowering down into that sissy arch. So you're lowering down, control it, and lift up, 3 reps of those. Going wider makes it a little bit easier. You've got to push those knees forward to get that counterbalance, and you want as little pressure in the rings as you can handle, so you're working up to that full body weight. Sissy arch. Counterbalance the arch for us. Just got the back rolls, or just holding the knees into the chest, just so you equalize those forces going into the spine on that 30-second breathing rest, and then go back into it 4 rounds. Remember to ease into it. 3rd round is where you really start to push it, and the 4th round. 4 rounds. Enjoy.